Judy Cooking 360. Today we're making ribs, baby back ribs. Just gonna cut this piece of fat off of here. That we don't need. And then I'm gonna slice this. I'm not gonna open it up completely. I'm just gonna slice it open just so that the spices will go down in it. And then it will be delicious. I'm gonna make a rub to go on here. Usually I use the board, but hey, I'm here already. There's 2 more spots. There we go. See that? When you do that, the spices, all your spices will go down in there. I'm gonna put it in this because this is what I'm gonna cook it in. Okay, so now we're gonna do the spices. Alrighty. Paprika, smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon. Cloves, ground cloves, just about a half of a teaspoon. Cayenne pepper. It depends on how spicy you like it, but I'm just gonna put a half of a teaspoon in. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Onion powder, 1 tablespoon. Okay. Let me get my glaze back on. Sugar, like 2 tablespoons. All-purpose seasoning, a tablespoon. A leveled one. A little bit less than a tablespoon. And we're gonna mix all of this up. Oh. And this is ground allspice. It's about a tablespoon of ground allspice. And we're gonna put about a teaspoon of black pepper. There we go. And this is going to sit overnight. What I have here is liquid smoke. This gives it that nice flavor because we're gonna bake it, but it's gonna come out like it's in, like we had put it on the grill. That's the type of flavor you're looking for. And I'm gonna put just about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of soy sauce on there. And then 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke. Okay. Now, here's the fun part. We're gonna put all our spices, get them in between. Rub this all over in here. You want this to be delicious, flavorful, and delicious. We want our ribs to be super delicious in every bite. Really get it all in there. And we're going to rub all of that in. Wrap this up. Now this is going to sit overnight in your refrigerator. Right, and then we're going to bake it for 2.5 hours, 375. Now, the first hour while baking, we keep it closed. And then the last hour and a half, you open it up, put it on the top shelf, and let it finish baking for an hour and a half. Okay? So the next time you see this, guys, will be fully cooked. Thanks for watching Judy Cooking 360. When this is done, we'll see each other again. Bye for now.